In today's video, I am going to teach you how to attach HelloSign to Pandadoc contract. Start by opening your document in Pandadoc. Take a moment to confirm you have the correct version, since you will be downloading a copy and sending it out for signature. It also helps to quickly scan the pages so you know where the signature should go later. Next, go to the top right corner of the Pandadoc window and click the three dots, which is the More menu. From there, choose Download, then select Download as PDF. This step creates a clean, shareable file that you can upload for signing. When the download finishes, remember where your computer saved the PDF, such as your Downloads folder, so it is easy to find. Now return to the signing flow. Click Sign or Send and upload the PDF you just downloaded. Make sure you select the same file you exported from Pandadoc. Once the upload is complete, click Next to continue. You will now be prompted to add the signer details. Enter the signer name and the signer email address. Double check for spelling errors, because this is the address where the signature request will be delivered. After you have entered the information, click Next again. At this point, you will place the signature field on the document. Look through the pages until you find the spot where the signer should sign. Then drag the signature block onto the document and position it neatly on the signature line or in the appropriate area. If the document includes other signature-related fields, focus on placing the signature block exactly where it is required, so the signer has a smooth experience. When the signature block is in place, click Next to proceed. Review the send screen briefly to confirm everything looks correct, including the signer information and the placement of the signature field. Finally, click Send for signature to deliver the document for signing. And that is all there is to it.